Keeping your floors clean requires different tools for different kinds of messes. You might need to sweep or vacuum, then mop or even scrub. And cleaning a mess like this, there is no easy way to do it. Until now, BISSELL brings you another breakthrough that lets you clean your floors in just one easy step. The BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max. Just add water and BISSELL formula to the clean water tank and choose either area rug or hard floor mode. Instead of spraying a puddle of cleaning fluid onto your floor, the CrossWave Cordless Max applies the perfect amount of clean water and formula directly onto the brush roll. So your brush roll stays cleaner, you're not oversaturating your floors, and your floors dry faster. The multi-surface brush roll has microfibers that mop and soft bristles that gently scrub and sweep away debris. The CrossWave Cordless Max has powerful suction that pulls the dirty water into a separate tank. That two-tank technology means you'll never have to put dirty water on your floors again, leaving them incredibly clean. Plus, it's cordless, so you can grab it and easily clean any room in your house, wherever and whenever you want. Improved edge cleaning lets you pick up that annoying pet hair that gathers along walls and baseboards. The CrossWave Cordless Max is safe on all sealed floors, and it even works on area rugs. When you're done cleaning, put it on the 3-in-1 docking station, press the self-cleaning cycle button, and watch the CrossWave clean itself. And the lithium-ion battery will automatically recharge while it stores, so you're always ready for your next clean. Plus, the BISSELL Connect app tracks your cleaning, sends you maintenance alerts, and more. Now, you can vacuum and wash your floors and area rugs at the same time with the BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max.
And when you buy BISSELL, you help save homeless pets.
How good is your cordless vacuum? Does it have enough power? Can it tackle the toughest dirt? Does it clean for long enough on a single charge? Does it look this good? The Vax Blade 2 Max. With almost 3 times the power of any cordless we've ever produced, it outperforms the UK's top 10 best-selling cordless vacuums in independent tests. That's the cleaning performance of the best corded uprights in a sleek, lightweight design. The Vax core processor monitors power up to 1,000 times a second, helping to give you optimum performance on both carpets and hard floors. And for stubborn dirt, simply switch to boost mode. A simple click takes it from upright to handheld in seconds. For easy cleaning up high, down low, and anywhere in between with no loss of suction. What's more, you get great cleaning performance with a stunning 45 minutes runtime on a single charge. When you're done, simply press the button and ditch the dirt. Fully charged from flat in just 3 hours, it's ready to go again when you are. Whatever stage of pet parenthood you're in, messes are a part of life. The BISSELL CrossWave X7 Cordless Pet Pro Multi-Surface Cleaner is our best crosswave for pet parents. This advanced cleaning system vacuums and washes at the same time to clean wet messes, dry messes, and pet messes all across your home. It even freshens area rugs. And new Turbo Pet Mode boosts power to tackle even the toughest messes. The CrossWave X7 delivers up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning with a powerful, durable digital motor and an ultra-lightweight design for frequent use in homes with pets. The Pet Clean Plus Natural Multi-Surface Formula helps eliminate pet odors. And the 2-tank system means only clean water and formula go onto your floors, never dirty water. And when you're done, put the CrossWave X7 cleaning system back in the 3-in-1 docking station, press a button, and it cleans itself. Plus, the built-in lithium-ion battery will charge while it stores, so it's ready for next time. For every stage of pet parenthood, the BISSELL CrossWave X7 helps you live in the moment, not the mess.